Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, it is totally normal for your phone to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging, but you can minimize that. So the first, unlock your phone and close all the background apps on your phone. Then try to avoid using it while charging, just leave it on the nightstand and let it charge properly. Then use the original cable and the charger. Remove the case of your phone while charging and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.